to create a new start of care. After logging in, go to the Patients menu. Search for the patient you want to readmit and open their profile. Click the Action button and select Create New SOC/Readmit from the dropdown. Fill in the required details for the new start of care and episode. Save the entry. Confirm the patient appears in the active patient list with the new SOC admission. In the patient summary box, select the SOC record you want to work on. Go to the Admission tab to review admissions and episodes in the Episode tab for this patient. That's it. You're all set. Thank you so much for watching.